Can we please talk about the things in the world of health and fitness that drive me absolutely insane? Let's start with the gym. Specifically, the people who treat it like their own personal, sweaty living room. You just finished a set on the bench press, leaving a literal puddle of your DNA behind. Are you going to wipe it down? Of course not. Why would you? There are only spray bottles and towels every 10 feet. That 5-second task is just too much to ask. So now I have to clean up your biohazard before I can even start my workout. And don't get me started on the people who leave dumbbells scattered everywhere. It's an obstacle course of iron and entitlement. We all pay the same membership fee, but apparently, some of you think that includes free janitorial services from the rest of us. And speaking of paying for things, let's talk about the biggest scam of all, health insurance. You pay hundreds of dollars every month for the privilege of still paying for everything yourself until you hit a ridiculous deductible. Mine is $3,000. I'm basically paying a monthly subscription for a service I CA and even use unless something goes catastrophically wrong. It's like Netflix telling you that you CA and watch anything until you've paid them an extra $3,000. And when you do try to use it, sorry, that's out of network. I'm sorry, when I was having a medical emergency, I didn't realize I was supposed to check if the ambulance was taking me to an in-network hospital. Then there are the appointments themselves. My appointment is at 2 p.m. I show up at 1:50 because if I'm late, they'll cancel and charge me a fee. But do they see me at 2? No. I sit there until 2:45, watching the clock tick away. My time is apparently worthless, but the doctor's time is sacred. When I finally get called back, I get 7 minutes of their undivided attention before they're already inching towards the door. I waited longer for a table at a chain restaurant. And finally, the wellness industry. The essential oils, the detox teas, the activated charcoal lattes. It's all just beautifully marketed garbage. Your body already detoxes itself. That's what your liver is for. You don't need a $60 tea that just gives you diarrhea with good PR. The wellness industry preys on our insecurities, selling us expensive, useless solutions. Feeling tired? You need this $90 mushroom powder. Anxious? Your chakras are blocked. Meanwhile, the real keys to health, sleep, exercise, eating vegetables, are cheap or free. But nobody's making influencer money telling you to just go to bed earlier. What health and fitness frustrations drive you crazy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this rant, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.